In this video, we're going to go over another firmware 3.0 feature. We can now add audio clips. Make sure we're in song view. So this light, it's not going to be blinking. That's how we know what mode we're in. So we're going to add a new track by pressing on the row. And while that's held down, you press this knob right here. And it'll change it to an audio clip. Let's go into track view on there. We're going to hold down shift. We're going to count down 1, 2, 3 and press that. So right now we're just looking at drum loops that I have. So I'm just going to select this one by pressing the knob. And now it's auto stretched to the tempo we're at. So you can make it slower, faster. There will be artifacts, but it can be used kind of musically. All right, let's just go back to 120. So there is one command that I want to mention. If you have a loop at, let's say, just a strange pitch, it's like going really fast. Let's say if we want to change the tempo to the actual length of the original wave here, we can do that. Hold down tempo and then just press on the track. And now it just went to the original BPM of the wave. So it automatically shifts everything. Just hold down. Let's choose the tempo of this one, change to that one, and so on. So that's a really good feature to have, especially if we want to return back to the tempo of any of these loops. Now what we can do is we can hold down shift and turn the left-right knob, and we can smush the wave. So let's say I want this to be 2 bars long. I just stretch it out to 2 bars, zoom out, now I press play. Let's bring it back to 1 bar. And now what we're going to do is we're going to press any pad on the very last column of the waveform. Let's say we're zoomed in and you press over here. It's not going to show up. So you have to scroll all the way over and you'll see this blinking red light. So what this does is it trims the waveform. So if I press it, it's going to appear or disappear. It's like taking it out and putting it away. So this tool, I can just move it to wherever I want, and it's just going to trim that waveform. You can even zoom in and then just make it really fast. You can also go beyond the wave if you want it to have a little pause. Let's just bring it back here, zoom back in, and we can put that right away. There's a couple of things you want to know about audio clips. So it defaults to this button right here, which is volume and pan. So whenever you're looking at a clip, it's going to default to that, and volume's up here, pan is down here. Pretty much all the other effects are about the same, but if you press this button, custom 1, this knob here, it's going to change the pitch. So it's kind of musical, it's really neat. If you turn it way up, it just has this musical, interesting sound. And then if you want to bring it right back to normal pitch, you just turn it until you see it blink. That's when you know it's back to normal pitch. So there it is, it's blinking and we're back. Now what I'm going to do is go into arranger view. So we already have this loop playing here. So that's going on. Let's add another drum loop, but we're going to do it from arranger view. So we just hold down the pad and press down on the knob. Audio, there we go. Now what we're going to do is create an instance of this, and we're going to go in, shift 3 down, We'll just choose that beat. Hold down that white instance and press song. There it is. So we're back playing all those loops. Can change the volume, turn that down a little so we can hear the other drum loop better.